Welcome back to Bee Spice. In this session, we'll discuss about IP rating. So this is just more of a knowledge session. Like you see, we need to know about the IP rating, right? We are telling like IP 65, 67, 68, all these, right? We should know what is that, right? So that is the intent of this video. Okay, as we all know, IP stands for ingress protection. So that is not an issue. Now we have x-axis 6, 5, 6, 7. What is this? So this stands for solids. This is related to solids and this is related to liquids. So we are going to see what is this and what is this. That's it, friends. Very simple. Okay, let's get into the detail. So know the IP rating. Okay, solids. One means one. Okay, I'll go back again here. I'm talking about this item and this item. One like this. If it is six, so what is this 6 stands for? And it is 65. What it stands for? 5 stands for what? So that is the meaning. I mean, that is the intent of this discussion. Okay. So solids now. One. One stands for protected against a solid object greater than 50 mm. For example, hand, right? Yeah. So this is about one actually. Okay. When we talk about two, so it is basically protected against a solid object greater than 12.5 mm, such as finger. Okay. Then three, it's protected against a solid object greater than 2.5 mm, such as a screwdriver. Okay. So this is about the solids one, two, three. Then few more on solids. Four. Four is protected against a solid object greater than 1 mm, such as wire. 1 mm, such as wire. Then what is this 5? 5 is a dust protected. So limited ingress of dust is permitted and will not interfere with the operation of equipment for about 2 to 8 hours. That is stands for 5. Okay. Then we have a 6. 6 is dust tight, and no ingress dust for 2 to 8 hours. So this is the, explanation for solids 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we'll get to know the liquids. So one means protected against vertically falling drops of water. Of course, limited ingress permitted. So one stands for protection against vertically falling drops of water. Vertically falling drops of water. Then two, protected against vertically falling drops of water with enclosure tilted up to 15 degree from vertical. It's not exactly vertical, but 15 degree tilted from vertical. The number two. Okay, right. Then number three, it's protected against sprays of water with enclosure tilted up to 60 degree from vertical. So if it is 2 means it's 15 degree. If it is 3 means 60 degree from vertical. And limited ingress permitted for 3 minutes. So that is also there. Here limited ingress permitted, but here limited ingress permitted for 3 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then few more. Then 4. Protected against water splash from all direction. And of course, limited ingress is permitted. Protected against water splashed from all direction. Okay. Then 5. Protected against jets of water. Jets of water. Limited ingress is protected. Then finally, the 6. Water from heavy seas. Water projected in powerful jets will not enter the enclosure in harmful quantities. That is about the 6. So this is the meaning of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in liquids and solids. Okay. Now, I think few more to add on in the liquids. We have 7 also. So a protection against the effects of immersion in water between 15 centimeter and 1 meter for 30 minutes. So the 7 stands for protection against the effects of immersion in water between 15 centimeter and 1 meter for 30 minutes. Then 8, protection against the effects of immersion in water under pressure for long periods. So this is about the explanation. Okay. Now we'll see how to see the rating. Okay. For example, we call it as IP65, right? Okay. What is this 6 is for the solid. So what is that? Dust tight. No ingress of dust for 2 to 8 hours. Then what is this 5? Protected against jets of water, limited ingress is permitted. That is how we actually come out with this IP protection rating, friends. So if it is 68 means 6, that's for dust, dust, okay? dust tight. Then if it is 8 mean protection against effects of immersion in water under pressure for long periods. So this is how we actually categorize. Okay. Thanks, sir. I hope that this video was useful. If you also feel the same, you can show your support by pressing the thumbs up button. Thank you, and see you in a next video, which is even more interesting. We'll talk about the method of protection. For example, we talk about the flame proof, explosion proof, all those aspects. Okay. Take care, friends. Take care. Bye bye.